Hello, and welcome to our course on FastAPI. In this series, you will learn how to build fast and efficient web applications using FastAPI, one of the most exciting new frameworks for Python. I'm Hatem, and today we are going to dive into the basics of setting up and using FastAPI. FastAPI is a modern, high-performance web framework for building APIs with Python 3.7 or higher. Based on standard Python tip hints, it's designed to be easy to use and to help you develop robust APIs quickly and with minimal code. Let's get started by setting up our development environment. For this course, you will need Python 3.7 or higher. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from python.org. We will also need to install FastAPI and Uvicorn, which is lightning fast ASGI server implementation. Once you have Python installed, open your terminal or command prompt and run the command you see on the screen to install FastAPI and Uvicorn. Now that we have FastAPI installed, let's create our first API application. We will start by creating a new Python file. Let's call it main. In this code, we import FastAPI and create an instance of it. Then we define a route for the route URL / using the @app.get decorate. This route will return a simple JSON response with a greeting message. To run our FastAPI application, we will use Uvicorn. Go back to your terminal and run the following command. This command tells Uvicorn to run our main module and use the app instance we created. The reload option is great for development because it automatically reloads the server whenever you make changes to your code. Now open your web browser and navigate to your local server URL. You should see a JSON response saying "Hello World." Congratulations! You have just created and run your first FastAPI application. But FastAPI offers much more than just returning simple JSON response. Let's take a look at another example. Next, we will add a route with a path parameter. Let's modify main file to include a new endpoint that greets a user by name. In this code, we added a new route, items/item ID, that accepts a path parameter item ID. We also added an optional query parameter queue. FastAPI automatically handles the validation and conversion of these parameters. Save the changes and go back to your terminal. If Uvicorn is still running, it should automatically reload your application. Otherwise, run the Uvicorn command again. Now, navigate to your local server URL and add the parameters to the end of the URL. As you see, you should see a JSON response with the item ID and query parameter. This is just the beginning of what you can do with FastAPI. In the upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into features like request bodies, data validation, dependency injection, and more. Thanks for watching and happy coding!